Today, I'll walk you through how to download the Zoho app on your laptop, even if you're a total beginner or just need a quick refresher. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to install the Zoho application so you can manage your emails and tasks more efficiently. First, let's get started. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to Google. You can do this by typing www.google.com into the address bar and pressing enter. This is your starting point for finding the Zoho app. Next, in the Google search bar, type Zoho download and hit enter. This search will guide you to the official Zoho download page where you can find the application you need. Don't worry if your search results look slightly different. The important thing is to find the right link. Once you've done that, look for the link that says Download Zoho Mail Desktop App for Windows, Mac, Linux. This is the application we want to download. Click on that link to proceed to the download page. Now, on the Zoho download page, you will see an option that says Download for Windows. Click on that button. This will initiate the download process for the Windows version of the Zoho app. After that, you will see a link labeled 64exe. Click on this to start downloading the executable file. This file is what you will use to install the app on your laptop. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your file manager. It's usually found in the Downloads folder. If you're having trouble finding it, don't worry, just take a moment to look around. Now double-click on the downloaded file to open it. You will see an installation wizard. Click Next to proceed with the installation process. Then click Install to begin the actual installation of the Zoho app. This may take a few moments, so be patient. Once the installation is complete, click Finish to close the installation wizard. Congratulations, you have successfully installed the Zoho app on your laptop. You can now find the Zoho app in your application list. Open it up, and you're ready to start managing your emails and tasks effectively. If this helped you out, please give the video a thumbs up. If you run into any snags, leave a comment below. Subscribe for more actionable guides. Thanks for watching.